Okay, so it's almost Halloween. I have been working on a couple's costume. Mine has been a vampire. I'm going to be a vampire. I've just recently made a top hat, and what I would like to do is put a bird skull on it to decorate it. So I've bought some modeling clay here, and I'm going to give a bash. I'm going to try and make a bird skull out of this. I'm going to start off by making this into a ball. So when I have my ball, I'm going to start tapering it. And then I'll make something for the eye there. Do it on both sides. I'm going to take the back of this. And then I'm going to start with that little piece in there. I've never made anything like this before. At this point, I figured out that using a little water on my fingers and on the paintbrush helped a lot. This clay needs water to be a bit more moldable, and it helped get rid of the creases and any unsightly things. It helped me fine-tune the bird skull. So I completed my hat a while ago, but I wasn't happy with this little decal thing that I'd done in the front. I thought it was a little bit lame, not scary enough. So what I did was I got modeling clay, and I made a sort of bird skull out of it. It's a little bit misshapen, but I rolled a ball of dough and I kind of made a beak. It looks more like a plague doctor mask, but I just recently now hollowed the eyes out. It's still a little wet. It's almost entirely dry, but what I'm going to do now is replace this because that was kind of why I made it. So I'm just going to cut this off. And then, just because I sewed all of this, just to make sure that it sticks, some glue. And then last, I'm going to pop a whole bunch of glue on the underside of my bird. And then do it in a sort of sideways. But that's way more scary.